Hello, my name is Amit Diwan and I live in New Delhi, India. I am making this video to outline my interest in postgraduate certificate program in digital and content marketing from York University, Canada. I have done my bachelor's in journalism and mass communication from Galgotia University, India. After my graduation, I started working with an advertising company called TDI International India Private Limited, where I had to generate content for the company's social media profile, and I also write content for company's social media product. Currently, I am working with a website where I had more of a manager role. I had to discuss I had to discuss different marketing strategies for the company's digital platform, and I also write article for the company's advertising product. My work also deal with doing a lot of research and doing a lot of research and development to reach out to the much wider audience. I think that during the time of pandemic, companies are more investing in digital platform to make their services easily accessible with the consumers. Digital and content marketing can help me gain more knowledge in the field, as this field is growing very fast as everything is going digitally, especially in the time of COVID. So I think I can do a lot better in the field. I can use my past experiences and apply it in the betterment of the company that I'll be working in the future. Ever since I have decided to pursue my higher education from Canada, York University is one of my top priority list, because York University has great infrastructure. York University is a excellent as it provides diverse community and also a global perspective with the number of international students coming from the different region of the company. York University can enhance my knowledge and I can learn more in the field of digital and content marketing field. Apart from all this, Canada is considered to be very safe for tourists and for international students. So this makes me an ideal candidate for this course, and this course can improve my skill sets in the field of digital and marketing field. Thank you.